Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the color of your Steam name. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to store.steampowered.com, or you can open the Steam app directly on your computer. Go ahead and log into your account. Now, before we dive into the steps, here's something important you need to know. Some formatting may still work only inside certain games or chat systems, not on your actual profile. Keep this in mind as we go through the process. Once you're logged in, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you to your main Steam profile page where all your public information is displayed. Now, in the right panel of your profile page, you'll see an option that says Edit Profile. Click on it to access your profile editing settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of how your profile appears to others on Steam. Next, look for your profile name field. Click at the very beginning of your name, right before the first letter. This positioning is important for the color code to work properly. Once you've placed your cursor there, type an opening square bracket followed by a closing square bracket. This creates an empty bracket pair before your name, which is where you'll insert the color code. Now, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to imagecolorpicker.com. This is a handy tool that will help you pick the exact color you want for your Steam name. On the right side of the page, you'll see various color options displayed. Click on the colors section to access the full color picker tool. Here's where you can get creative. Adjust the color picker based on your preferences. You can slide through different hues, adjust the brightness, and fine-tune the saturation until you find the perfect color for your name. Take your time with this step to make sure you're happy with your choice. Once you've settled on a color you like, look at the right side of the screen. You'll see a code made up of numbers and letters that represents your chosen color. This is your hex color code. Go ahead and copy this code. Now switch back to your Steam tab. Click inside the brackets you added earlier, positioning your cursor between the opening and closing bracket. Paste the color code you just copied right there. The code should now sit inside the brackets before your name. After you've pasted the code, scroll down to the bottom of the Edit Profile page and click the Save button. This will apply your changes. Give it a moment to process and save your new profile settings. Remember, some formatting like this may still work only inside certain games or chat systems rather than on your profile itself, so your results may vary depending on where you're viewing your name. You've now successfully added a color code to your Steam name. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.